What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. Another one? Another one. First off, let's just jump into it. I recorded me picking these up, so hope y'all enjoy it. And bam, there they are. Size 12, Jordan 11 Low, emerald green, Easter colorway, iridescent, pearlescent, whatever you want to do it. It's that. So, people are sleeping on these. And honestly, like, I don't know why. Bam. You can see that green. Here we go. Now, you can see the green shining like crazy on this. A lot of people are sleeping on these, and honestly, I don't know why. I mean, besides the fact that, Jordan never wore this colorway, there's really not that many greens out there. There's like the snakeskin one, and then you got this one. People bought up the hype of the, iridescent, Jordan 1s. He never wore that one. They bought that. Granted, the resale was garbage on it. But people bought up on that one. Why not this one? They collect the whole iridescent set. That's how I feel, because I love iridescent. The whole color change thing, I love that. So, I mean, not to mention they gave it an Easter name. These are going to sell out anyway just because they gave it the Easter name. May take a week, but they'll sell out. The one thing that I had that was a little bit iffy on these, like before I ever touched them, was the upper. I wasn't sure. Usually you get mesh, up here and whatnot. But I went to social status to put in for the little baby Sean Witherspoon, because I caught the Sean Witherspoon's video coming soon. I had to pay resell on them, but still got them for a good price. Shout out to homeboy Steven. I got his link. Everything about him is coming in that video. So I copped those. Amazing shoes, by the way. Had to get little man some, but I missed out on that raffle. But anyway, while I was there, they had these out. I touched them, and after I touched them, I was like, I gotta have them. These are like straight premium. Like, the quality of these is amazing. Usually you have the mesh upper, no mesh here, straight leather all the way up, leather tongue, leather upper, all the way through. And It's got that kind of, let's see here, not lime, but pea color. Not like urine, but like green bean light. You know, the pea that's in the green bean. Kind of that color. Green right here. Tea, like green tea colored, maybe. Then you got the emerald green right here. But what people don't understand is it's not just straight green. Like, I can change it, like move it around, but you won't really get the full effect of it. Um, if you pull out, like, depending on the light, like an LED light on your phone, you shine that on, it's blue, like a really dark color, and it shows blue, reflects blue. It's just like a straight iridescent upper. It's got blue, a little bit of purple, and green, but it mainly shines green. Um, then you got the bottom. Everybody swore up and down that the bottom, like even on camera, it kind of looks like a crystal blue, like an icy blue color, but it really isn't. It's pearlescent all the way through. Like, this is one of the best pearlescent jobs I've ever seen on an outsole before. That camera does not do it justice, but you could probably see it better now. The color shifting on it, I love the way it looks. It gives, yeah, whoever did the paint job on this did an amazing job. I don't know if it'll pick that up or not, but this thing shifts just like a pearl does. The inside of like a clamshell, how it shifts colors and whatnot, it looks identical to that, especially in hand. The leather quality on the upper, very good as well. Soft, not like the Jordan 1 that's linked right here. That stuff was rock hard. This stuff's actually really soft. It feels like a broken in baseball mitt, kind of. Not to mention, there's not a lot of Jordan 11s out there where the upper is leather. So you got to get it for that too. I mean, you could stick with the typical mesh or with like the Barons where they had the suede or the nubuck upper. But this is like straight leather. Even these, leather. Everything's leather. So you got the white leather upper, the Walter White, because this is white, like white, like Scarface white leather. You know, and then you got that emerald green or iridescent mudguard, the white midsole with the pearlescent outsole, hints of black everywhere on it. Got the black Jumpman on the back, Ratchan, with that, you know, green T23. These are still available pretty much anywhere, and they did a full size run from infant all the way up to adult. And I'm definitely, like, since I copped these, I'm definitely getting a pair for little man. Just haven't had a chance. I picked them up, came home, shot the video. But you best believe I'm going to pick those up. I mean, why not? But the only other reason why I think that these might be sitting, besides the fact that MJ himself didn't wear them, and the fact that they made tons of them, I mean tons of them, so the resellers aren't buying them up. There's no resell on them at all. Is the fact that green's probably kind of hard to, you know, match up, but it just looks so good. The quality on it's amazing. It looks good. There's no reason why you shouldn't buy this shoe. Unless, you know, you can only buy one shoe, but even then I would pick this one over a few of the other 11s, unless you got that gray one that's coming out. Or while I was looking up to see what 11s were coming out in 2018, especially 11 lows, particularly because of this video, I noticed that either this month or next month, the coveted Jordan 11 Derek Jeter, the all blue suede, that one is supposed to drop, but it's the low, not the high. So, but you can take that with a grain of salt, because apparently they were supposed to drop the Taxi 12s in March. They never did. So we'll see. I'll believe it when I see it. But yeah, here, check out on feet real quick. These, I guarantee these look good on feet. Told you they look good on feet. These things feel good on feet too. Like, usually, I don't know if it's just, 2018 Jordan Brand's trying to step up their game a little bit with quality. Who knows? Well, never mind, because that last Jordan 1, the Game Royal, was horrible quality, so maybe not. But build quality, not material quality. They might be trying to step it up. They might just be going through a different factory, like I said in the last one. Who knows? But this feels a lot better than the Barons did. The blue and gum bottom, the navy ones, those feel better than, say, the red and the black ones. So, never know when it comes to all that, especially. So, make sure to stay tuned at the end so that way you can see some photos and some B-roll. That way you could actually pick up the true pearlescent feel and maybe even the color change of this. I cannot wait. I'm going to wear these like crazy. Like, I love the way these look, and I hope they do the iridescent look to all the other all the other retros, like the 4s. That would look awesome. 3s, I don't know about the 3s. They could do it though. Who knows? Can't wait. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure to turn on notification because I got a lot of fire videos coming with some crazy expensive shoes. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure to check out this video so you know to keep an eye out for the giveaway when we reach 1,000 subs. Might do one sooner. Never know. You definitely want to follow me on social media though, because I post all my videos there first. The links to the videos so you know when I drop a new one. But yeah, that's it. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Hope y'all have a good one. Peace.